Notes not updated and general logics I am writing, observe it. So when the display comes, we are under admin login, not user login. What are the permissions available for admin login means? He can add product, he can view all products. In the place of product, you can replace with any component. So for easiness, always we take product generally. So he is doing edit product now. You want to edit one product. Whenever you want to edit one product, he is clicking on one hyperlink edit. Whenever hyperlink edit is clicked, the product information should come. The product information must come. All of you understood the statement now? Product information must come. For that product information, I brought your product code here. How I brought product code means that URL pattern added with the product code. That URL pattern added with the product code. That's the logic. Yesterday, see it. HTTP session under Java resources, view all products, view products servlet. Here one href, that is edit, edit followed by P code. Edit followed by P code. Even delete also same actually. Delete also product code only should come. Yes or no? Na? Delete. For delete operation also, P code is equal to double quotes plus PB dot get code. Same operation. Now at present, we are doing edit. If I click on edit, the imagination, the control came to edit product servlet with one anchor tag. So the request is get request anyway, but one information transferred from HTML form, nothing but your whatever the HTML output came, not HTML output, from that Java program, whenever the control is coming to web browser, through that web browser, through URL pattern, one small information is transferred. That is P code is equal to A001 came. So I started typing edit product servlet. Edit product servlet. Actually, two ways we can explain one project. One, by taking one printout and giving, explaining line by line, where student cannot catch. But my approach is writing and showing. That all possibilities I must show to you. Major possibilities are insert, retrieve, edit, delete. These are the four. You take any project, that only will be there. In between, some operations extra will be calculated. For that extra calculation, some support will be there for you with the tool support or ORM support or this kind of support available. So I am typing and showing to you the way I am typing and showing to. That's the difference. Okay, right. Now we are under edit product servlet. We are under edit product servlet. Whether product code came or not, yesterday I cross-checked. Yesterday code came, no? Yes. So this code came, sir. P code came. Used on this code, array list, which is available in the session object. Which is available in the session object. Here. In the session object, one array list is available, AL. I brought that array list outside. First, you brought the session. First session will come. Session object. So session means 0x99. Through that 0x99, we can get AB, admin bean. We can get AL. So these three objects we are accessing. So session object will come first. HS is equal to 0x99. Here. Sir, HS is equal to 0x99. After that, AB. Here HS came, no? Of course, I am not showing any AB here. I am taking array list. I am bringing array list. Array list object reference is 0x901. Array list. Sir, AL is equal to 0x909. Now, once the array list object came now, through iterative statement, we are bringing each product outside. AL dot for each of K. We are taking each product outside. In that product, the code is matched or not. This code matched with the product code. If it is matched, I am displaying actually. I'm displaying or not now, but I must give a edit option to the admin or not now, right? Now look it. I am deleting this display. Yesterday I cross-checked the details are displaying or not. Okay, right? Now product code, whatever the product code available on the K. The product code available on the K. From here, pw dot println, pw dot println. I am writing one form tag. I am writing one form tag. I am writing one form tag. I am writing where form tag action is equal to update. Single quotes, no. Update. You must update the product or not now. Update. Where action is equal to method is equal to post. Post. We are writing one HTML form there. Now here pw println I must allow editing for price and code. You have to edit what now? Price and code. No, sorry. Price and quantity. Now look here. I am displaying product price. I am displaying input type is equal to text. Name is equal to product name. Product name. Value is equal to this value. We must assign it. The value is available in the this value available in the K, no? Right. The value available in the K now. I'm displaying. So K dot K K dot get price here, PR. Now product quantity, here P quantity, here K dot get quantity. All of you understood this, right? Whatever the product. So what is your imagination now? One array list object. In the array list object, multiple products. Among that, based on the code, we identified one product. From that product object, we are taking price and quantity and showing to the user, means admin for editing. That is your imagination in the background. Now here, pw dot println input type is equal to submit value is equal to update product. This is your form. Now, whenever I click on update product, this one you should identify. Whenever I click on this model already there with you. Yes or no? This model already written. But one more new concept I'm adding here. Whenever I click on update product, that price and quantity will come to another servlet. Understood this information? Right. Because that should be update product servlet will be there. In that update product servlet, request object is loaded with modified price and modified quantity. Now we are under update product servlet. We are. The two informations are there. Now these two informations belongs to which product? You must transfer the P code also, no? Yes or no? Na? You must transfer the P code also because you brought the price, you brought the quantity, but the price and quantity belongs to whom? That P quantity also must come. Send the P quantity. But whenever you want to send the P quantity, nothing but product quantity, product code. To send that product code, how can we send the product code to the next servlet? Whenever you want to send the product code to the next servlet, that should not be displayed to the end user. That only hidden form field. In HTML form, we had no hidden form field. What is hidden form field? Input type is equal to hidden if you write it. Input type is equal to hidden if you write it. That will not be displayed to the end user. That is the HTML trainer said to you. That same concept I am writing. See there. Now, here, after this one, pw dot println, I am writing input. Input type is equal to hidden. Input type is equal to hidden. Name is equal to P code and value is equal to here code. Value is equal to code. Which code now? This code only, no? REQ dot get parameter of code. That code only. Of course, the code available in the K dot get code also. You can say K dot get code also you can write. If not, already code is here only, no, you can write code also. No problem. Now, which one is displayed now? Sir, price is displayed, quantity is displayed, right? But the code will not be displayed to the end user. All have understood this, right? Now the output is coming out of your edit product servlet. Edit product servlet. Output will come. Edit product servlet output. Here, directly editing option only coming. HTML form is coming. How it will come now? So price is equal to quantity is equal to, means old price, old quantity will be displayed. What is the old price now? 1200, 12. 1200. Here 12 will be displayed. Here update product. Update product will come. In the hidden form field, P code is equal to A001. This is hidden form field will be there, which will not be displayed to the end user. The form field will be there. So price we are writing price up in mine not working today. P price and P quantity. If variables are all null values will come, right? P price. Right. P price, P quantity. Right. So this is your output. Output. Action is equal to you give an update, no? Right. This is update. Then update. Now, after updating, I'll click on this. Whenever I click on this, through update, control will go to update servlet. Update product servlet. Update product servlet. Running on update. Running on update. This is post request. Yes or no? Na? This is post request. Our imagination, the data will be available in the request. How it is available now, sir? P code is equal to A001. P price is equal to 1200. P quantity is equal to 12. Now look here. Means he has to modify and come now. 1 minute. Sir, the price modified to some 2000. Price increased and a new stock came. It became 20. 20 means 12 plus 8. If not 12 plus 10, you take it. Anything. 22, I'll take it. So the updated will come here. The updated will come here. One minute. Here, existing quantity 12. Understood the statement now, right? Now 12 plus 10 I added. Okay, 22. Now the new updated will come here. Here 2012. Now see. Now this must be updated to database first. Means that should be updated to database, not first database. But before going to database, it should be updated here. Array list is holding one product, no? The array list must be updated first. The updation must happen in the bean object first. This one must be updated now. This one. A001, name mouse only. Price should become 2000 and quantity should become some 22. This should be updated. So this one must be updated first. That is a very important point. That should be updated. Now again we are accessing the array list. Through that array list, we are updating the bean object. After updating the bean object, we are updating the database. Right, see there. Now, first you have to update bean. After updating the bean now, we are updating the database. To update the database, we'll use update product DAO. Update product DAO. We are going to use int update. We are going to pass that product object as parameter. Which product you are going to edit it? The product object as a parameter you are going to send it. Means the product bean. What is the product bean available? So I written product bean, I think. Product bean, I am going to update it. PB. Now using this, the update happens. It returns one K value here. Now look here. I am writing this logic, observe it. First I must update the data available in the array list. I am going to write that logic, observe it. Okay, right. See there. Now, unchecked. Now the control is going to update as post request. Now today's class is edit product servlet. I added for today because I edited. Next, update product servlet dot java. Update product servlet. Update product servlet. Right click on test, new class, update product servlet. Update product servlet. Now import java.io. Import java.util. Import java x.servlet. Import java x.servlet.http. Import java x.servlet.annotation @web servlet/update. Now this extends from HTTP servlet protected void to post HTTP servlet request REQ HTTP servlet response RES throws servlet exception IO exception print writer PW is equal to res dot get writer res dot set content type text or HTML. Here HTTP session HS is equal to REQ dot get session of false. So codes are repeating, right? If HS equal to null, then session expired. PW dot print ln. You can say session expired. You can say request dispatcher RD is equal to REQ dot get request dispatcher home dot HTML RD dot include. This is common code we are writing always when the session is available, because editing completed is updating. So product updated successfully, the message should come. So here you must write page belongs to, you must write. For that, we are taking admin bean. AB is equal to admin bean HS dot get attribute of AB. We are keeping that admin bean there anyway. Through that admin bean dot PW dot print ln, you can say page belongs to. The name you can display AB dot get first name. So this is not standard process always. Your project will give the specification what to be displayed, first name, username. That will be, they'll give it. But demo purpose, we are taking one name and preserving that bean. That's one information, coding information to you. Model. Once AB came now, here I want array list, no? Right, we have to look for array list. So array list product bean AL is equal to array list product bean HS dot get attribute of AL. Now you understood why I am giving the same names AL, AB for remembering. Because I am using only two. Actually, in the real time, more will be there. Session will hold more. Because the project is huge project, no? Suppose if you take irctc.co.in, n number of informations must be transferred. Your username, password, whatever you searched, whatever you clicked, that all will be flowing from one page to another page. The developer has to manage them and control them. If you don't control it, null values will come. So that carefully, because it takes much time. In the real-time writing, one project will take much time. Because n number of values you have to carry from here to there. For demo purpose, I am preserving two objects to you. Array list came. Sir, once array list came now, already code is available there, no? I submitted the code now. Your code already came or not now? A001 code came. The code came with hidden form fields. Remaining two I used already. Without your knowledge, I used it. Yesterday, that URL pattern is there, no? Edit, question mark. That is URL rewrite only. Today I am using hidden form field to transfer the data. From one servlet to another servlet, I am transferring the data. P code I am transferring. Now the P code came. With what name came now? Came with the P code name only. P code. So get that code inside first. So string code is equal to req dot get parameter of P code. It came. Sir, why you brought P code? From that array list, I must search that. Okay, right. For that, AL dot for each. I'm taking some K. Each product bin will come out. Is coming out. Now K is holding the product. K is holding the product address. Using that, if that code dot equals of here K dot get code. If it is true, then we have to update it. We have to update that product. Means that product bin must be updated first. Yes or no? Na? All right. Product bin must be. How will update it now? Sir, K dot set code, not set code. Set price. Set price. Where the price is available now? REQ dot get parameter of P price. All of you understood this? Say yes or no to me. Louder. If you are understanding means improvement came. Sir, my core Java day one, today, one day. Sir, I am understanding something means I improved, sir. So I am a learner. Means if I try it, I can learn it. Understood the statement? Because your imaginations are very high. Now you can understand why we draw the diagrams in core Java. Suppose like it's like C trainer, right? Like any other trainer, if I give 120 programs, if I ask you to bad it, you cannot withstand in advanced Java. Because even I also now, I am in rest actually. Directly I'm coming to class 11 a.m. Because mind is not working. Because I used to wake up around 5:36, but nowadays I'm waking up at 8, 9, I'm waking up actually. So when I'm coming directly here, I'm seeing and typing. Means what? I'm coming here and typing the live code. It is not a single program, no situation of it. I must type and go. For me also error may come because my imagination failed means error will come. All of you understood this statement now, right? Okay. Now, if I am also understanding means improvement came. Array list. In that array list, objects are there. Based on the code, we are pointing to one object. The object reference available on the K. Now that product I am updating, sir. REQ dot get parameter of P price. Sir, this is float, no? Float dot parse float. REQ dot get parameter of here P price. Now K dot set quantity integer dot parse int REQ dot get parameter of P quantity. What is the meaning of these two lines means, sir? This whatever the data available here, this data we directly updating. This K, that K, problem. You take it as Z here. This is Z element. Now The data is updating here. We are updating this data. We are updating this data here. 2000. Sir, we are updating here. How much? 2000. I am changing the data to 2000 and quantity 22. I am changing the data updated in the bin. We updated in the bin. Once you updated in the bin, now you have to pass that product bin here. That address 0C1. 0C1. That address you have to pass here. You have to pass that address here. That address available on the K here. Now pass that K. After updating the bin, I have understood this statement. After updating the bin, I am passing that K value. Means K dot, that one I am passing. How I'll pass it now, sir? First you write the bin object here. Update product DAO. I am constructing. Update product DAO.java. I am constructing. I'll construct updated DAO and I'll come back and finish off it. Sir, first construct update product DAO. Import java.sql. Here public int z I am taking. Z is equal to 0. Public int update. I am passing product bin PB. RETURN return Z. Here try and catch. Exception E dot print stack trace. Connection con is equal to db connection dot get con. Now prepared statement PS is equal to con dot prepared statement. You must use the query as an update query. Update product 52 set price is equal to comma quantity is equal to. Already I am updating the quantity directly. Means 12. I'm adding with 10. I'm making final quantity as 22. Directly I'm doing. I'm changing there, means already 12 is there. 10 came quantity. I'm making it as directly calculation there only. I'm entering. So I'm modifying the quantity. I'm using quantity, right? Where code is equal to, based on the code you should know, no? Right? Update product 52 set price quantity. Correct only no query, right? So how many parameter indexes now? 3. PS dot set float, first one. From where you must set it now? From PB, right? Okay. Parameter index 1 PB dot get price. Now PS dot set int parameter index 2 PB dot set quantity. 1 minute. PB dot get quantity. Now PS dot set string parameter index 3 Now pb dot get code. Now whatever the product being updated from your array list object, that address, through that address we are accessing the data. Here we are writing z is equal to ps dot execute update, the data updated. Now whatever the z value is there, return z. The z value will come here. That's the concept. The z value will come here. Now, once the z value coming here, inside that only I am doing the work here. Inside that I am doing. Okay, right. Inside that, suppose int z is equal to new update product DAO dot update of k. K is address location, no, is updated. Now, once it is updated, z value greater than 0. Inside that I am writing, what I'll do now, pw dot println product updated successfully, like this. When the product updated successfully, this is a loop. The loop will come out anyway. That code will run whenever it is matched. Okay, right. Before that, here, page belongs to be written. Here answer is coming. Product updated successfully. Below that, you can give the options. Again, you want to add product or view all products or log out. Give the option. So for that, request. For this also, where to keep it also for you analysis will be there. When the new project is running, Friday they'll conduct a review. They'll say, I want like this, they'll say. You can change up and down. That clarity will be there. If you have a subject, tension not there. Somebody will guide you. Which one I want, where it want. If you have a subject, happy only. Just you are moving the content up and down only, no? So I am displaying down now. Request dispatcher RD is equal to REQ dot get request dispatcher. Right. What is here now? Link 1 dot HTML. Link 1 dot HTML. RD dot include. RD dot include request and response. Unchecked. What is the answer? Semicolon. Right, look here. Whether answer is coming or not, let me cross check. Okay, right. SQL command line. Connect. System. Manager. Select star from product 52. I want to change that A001. I want to change it. Exit. Now I am running. Run as. Run on server. Click on finish. Admin login, view all products. Our target is edit, no, this one, edit. Say 1200 is there, no, here. So 12 plus 10, how much now? 22. In the background, can you see product code here? Can you see above product code P code? Can you see that? Right. I'll copy that URL. That URL is under this example. There's an example. Right. Now, update product. Page belongs to Venkat. Product updated successfully. You have to cross check two things now. Whether updated in the array list product bin or not, you have to cross check. And you have to cross check it is updated in the database or not, you have to cross check. Updating both now. Okay, right. View all products. Can you see updated? That one developer only can do. Working with beans is important, that visibility. Now go and check it. Anyway, log out from here. Go and check in the database. Select star from product 52. Updated, no? All of understood update? Right. Can you do delete now? Yes or no? Na? Same process, no? Louder. Using that product code, you must delete the product from the array list. You must delete the product from the database. Means what? You are having grip on collection framework, ORM, that only. I given a logic way to you, object relation mapping tools. If you have that way, they will understand, you can understand them very easily. So your assignment is, if you click on delete, based on that product code, you must remove the product from the array list. Yes or no? Na? You must remove from there and you have to delete the product from the database, both. Whenever if I say view products, that record must be there, must not be there. Editing hard only, I written it. Delete easy only. Deleting very easy, no? Right. So that you tried. Same pattern you should try it. Okay. So this is the work up to here. All of you understood because user login is there now, right? User login I will not write now, only with the JSP I'll write. Understood now? Because this one up to here I stopped it. You 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 files came. Still incomplete. Defined action is known as application. So application development is going on. That's a point. For application, single program will not be there. Group of programs will come. If I give a suddenly all document at a time, you will not understand. So I given part by part to you. I only drawing the diagram. I am only constructing the program and coming. So see there, log out. So log out to servlet. In this log out to servlet, hs.remove attribute AB. But one more attribute available now. What is the attribute now? hs.remove attribute. What is the attribute name now? AL. What are the attributes are there? Remove it and destroy it. Whenever you say, what is that? Invalidate here, automatically session will be destroyed. So point. So session will be permanently available until we invalidate. What is the difference between cookie and HTTP session now? Cookie stored in the web browser. From there, every time it comes to the server and track it. Here, HTTP session is not moving anywhere. It is available in the server. We access from server only. It will not come out of your server. That is the information to you. So make this program to run first. And I want you to construct online bookstore. I wanted to construct buying book label tag. For the table tag, I needed that other parameters needed, means other still other HTML forms not entered, no checkbox, radio buttons that not entered, that all needed for it to display it. For that, I cannot write that huge code in Servlet. Already writing few codes only, confusion is coming for us. Huge code we cannot write under Servlet. So we take JSP. If we take JSP, presentation will become very simple to us. We can write HTML code very freely with the combination of Java, so that we can present that remaining part with the JSP. That's the plan. Now, conclusion I am not giving. HTTP conclusion I am not giving. First, you have to run the program and come. Now, right? The process of adding parameter values to servlet URL pattern. The process of adding parameter values to servlet URL pattern is known as URL rewrite. Is known as URL rewriting. URL rewriting. The process of adding parameter values to servlet URL pattern is known as URL rewriting process. URL rewriting process. We can pass parameter values from one servlet program to another servlet program. Through URL rewriting process, we can pass parameter values from one servlet program to another servlet program in session tracking. In session tracking. So whenever you want to send some information, part of session tracking, whenever you want to send some information from one servlet to another servlet, you can take the support of URL rewrite. URL pattern, question mark, parameter 1 value and parameter 2 value and parameter 3 value and dot like this. You can send any number of parameter values. You can send any number of parameter values. You can send any number of parameter values, you can send it. Here two symbols are there. One is AND symbol. That AND symbol, according to C language, they'll say address. C language only, Java language only. Right? Here one symbol is there, question mark. Right. This symbol is separator. You must say. This symbol is separator between parameter. Separator between parameters. Separator between parameters. So this is one parameter. This is one parameter separator is coming. Daily you'll use Google search engine, no? This is search only. Can you see in the address bar something is there? Can you see address bar? Right. I'll copy this address. This Google search engine address bar I'll copy. This is search engine address bar. This is your domain. We call it as domain name. Followed by URL pattern, this one. This is separator. Means what? Search engine is using URL rewrite process. This is one variable. This is one parameter. This is one parameter. This is one parameter. They are all algorithmic codes. To activate algorithm, they cannot display direct code, no? They'll display cipher text. Means user must not read, no, where I am accessing, because security purpose. For me, directly coming up. P code is equal to A001. Direct display is coming up. Not observed. Direct should not come. In the real time, some tools will be there. They will convert into other codes and they'll display to you. Rough mapping code they'll display. Now these are all parameters. Can you see? This is one parameter. This is one parameter. This is one parameter. This is one parameter. See, source ID is Chrome and type of encoding model used UTF-8 like this. Some information is there. The same thing for today. This is our local host 8082. This is application name. Here edit. This is URL pattern. For me, only one value I am sending. You can send more values. All of you understood this URL rewrite? Very popular actually. Actually, from here to here. Marker not there. DNS will be there for us. For you, now you are in the servlet. Servlet is a basic code. Means one core Java student writes his Java program and run that Java program in server environment, and he say the program as server program or servlet program. That is basic. Here he is learning how to construct one web application running in internet world. That model you are learning. When you cross the servlet, for you, web service is there, Spring is there. To run the applications in here, internet service is mandatory. Here, internet service is not mandatory in advance. I'm not using internet services. My system may connected to internet, may not be connected to internet. It's not mandatory. But when you cross my room, next levels, you are eligible already. For Spring, you are eligible. Because you know core Java concepts plus collection framework plus JDBC plus servlet basic. You know already. With this, you are eligible for the next course already. You are eligible. So when you go here, internet connection is mandatory when you are running it. Whenever this Spring and web services comes, okay, right? When you cross this, your application deploying live to internet world concept is there. You have to upload one real-time project, meaning that only. You must upload that project to internet world. Whenever you want to upload it, there are many permissions needed. That is known as DNS. Domain naming services, you can say. When you say domain names and naming services, that only www.gmail.com, www.google.com, that domain name should come. Under the domain name, what is there now? IP address of your server, followed by application name. That application name with IP address combinedly mapped with the domain name, followed by URL pattern. That only here. See there. This is one domain name. Inside the domain name, what is there now? The Google server, which is available in the world, that IP address will come. That IP address will come. Understood? Said no? The IP address followed by the server port number will come. Followed by your application name will be there. Means what? IP address, port number, application name, they map it to domain name. That all DNS. The training available for you in the graduation study, final year CSE lab is there. Or MTech CSE lab will be there. DNS. Sir, who will train here in the Amirpet means you're a service trainer. He will train it. Then the domain name will come. Domain name is coming to me. www.google.com/ URL pattern is coming. Not now. That URL pattern is our URL pattern here. Edit is our URL pattern. From here, local host means my server is running in the same computer, sir, not in the remote. If it is running in the remote, I must write IP address. IP address, port number, application name. You have to convert into one domain name that you're going to learn it. All have understood the statement now, right? Now, with that URL pattern, I can send the parameters. With that URL pattern, I can send the parameters. Whenever I add parameter values to one URL pattern, we call it as URL rewrite. Means URL pattern added and rewritten. That's the meaning of URL rewriting. All of you understood now? So in our program, from one servlet to another servlet, maybe edit product servlet to update product servlet, I am transferring one pin code in the form of hidden form field. That's different. But before that, view all products to edit product servlet, I am transferring one pin code by using URL rewrite process. The concept. The search engine. Can you see written in what now here? I shown to you already. Written in what now? JavaScript, Java, and C++. Any algorithmic base is there, they'll take C++, background algorithmic, and major coding, server code done with what now? Java. And JavaScript means front end, minimum. I said no, Java double E. Everybody should know JavaScript. Who are learning JavaScript or who completed JavaScript? Hope you will be busy anyway, but this is a learning time. Your time is learning time. You should learn only. After that, learning time will not be there. N number of parameters will be added. Pressures. Other things will be added to you. In the learning time, you must learn correctly. JavaScript, hope you complete it. But whenever you find it, you make a review. Form validation. You must learn it. Anyway, management given Angular. So update correctly with Angular. They add an advantage to you. C++ you never write. No need to check C++ because in the real-time market, in a product-based companies, C++ experts are there. They will write it. Algorithms. You are a server code writer. You are learning already. You are in the stage 1. Stage 2, already they are waiting. Stage 3 is deployment. That's the point. Make it hidden form fields. All of you understood URL, right? Right. I'll paste this in your material anyway. Let it. The process of declaring input type is equal to hidden. Input type is equal to hidden in form tag. In form tag of HTML is known as hidden form field. Form field. The process of declaring input type is equal to hidden in form tag of HTML is known as hidden form field, which are available in hidden form fields are not visible to end user. In that program also, hidden form field background only it is there, it is not visible. Correct. The values in hidden form fields are not visible to the end users. End user means client. End user. End users means who is using the application. The values in hidden form fields are not visible to the end user. Hidden form fields. Through hidden form fields, we can pass information from one servlet program to another servlet program in session tracking. Through hidden form fields, we can pass information from one servlet program to another servlet program in session track. Already I'm sending one information like this. You can send more informations. One more time, I'll show hidden form field in another application. I'll show, right? Okay. Value is equal to some value. Like this, you can write.